Our today's topic is pharmacology of drug action on nervous system, and this is episode 3. In this episode, we will discuss, after accepting by the dendron, how impulse or stimulation can transmit in the action through the neurofibril. So we will zoom this portion and make intersection here, and we will try to discuss about the impulse transmission in neurofibril. Here, this is the inside of the neurofibril and this is the outside. Generally, in resting condition, when no stimulation is generated, at that time, outside of the neurofibril, sodium or Na plus ion concentration is high. So outside become positive charge, and the inside there have Cl minus and K plus ion. But Cl minus ion concentration is higher than K plus ion concentration. So inside become negative charge. So in resting condition, when no stimulation is generated or no impulse is flowing, then the outside remain positive charge due to high sodium ion concentration, and inside become negative charge due to high Cl minus ion concentration. So, in resting condition, neuron is electrically polarized. Now, in this resting condition, if we measure the electropotency of this neurofibril, that will be minus 70 MV or minus 70 millivolt. So this resting condition potentia is called resting potentia. If we plot a graph of resting potentia, it will be like this in respect of time. But when stimulation is generated, then what happened? Outer positive or sodium ion can enter in the inside. Before the stimulation, potentia was minus 70 MV. Now, if positive or sodium ion enter, then potentia will be changed from negative to positive. So, minus 70 MV, electropotency will be gradually decrease. From minus 70 MV to minus 68, minus 65, minus 63, minus 60, it will be like this, according to the entry of the positive sodium ion. But to produce threshold due to the stimulation, potentia should be minimum minus 55 MV. Otherwise, that stimulation will not produce threshold in body. So, in this graph, this stimulation is not enough to make the potentia minus 55 MV by sodium ion entry. So, it will not produce threshold at all. But when due to the stimulation more sodium ion will enter and the potential level will be changed from minus 55 MV to plus 40 MV, then that stimulation is recognized as threshold in neurofibril. Before the stimulation produced, resting neuron was electrically polarized and the potential was minus 70 MV. Now, after stimulation produced or after the threshold, for the huge amount of sodium ion entry, potential is changed from minus 55 MV to plus 40 MV. So, potential is changed from negative to positive. So, we can say depolarization is occurred from a polarization state due to huge amount of sodium ion entry. And in this new condition, this potentia is called action potentia. So, in resting condition, potentia was minus 70 MV, and due to the threshold and sodium ion entry, potentia is changed from minus 55 MV to plus 40 MV, and depolarization occurred. This potentia is called action potentia. Now what happened? I have already told there has also positive K plus ion in the inside. To make this depolarization condition in normal state, from here the K plus ion will exit out from inside to outside. So what will happen? This outside negative area will become positive again. So due to potassium ion exit out, outside become negative to positive, and inside potential, which is plus 40 MV, that will be changed again and decrease from positive to negative. So we can say depolarization to repolarization is occurred due to K plus ion exit out. But potassium ion will exit out in more amount in respect of sodium ion entry inside. So the potential will be decreased more than the resting potential, and this excess negative condition we can say from repolarization to hyperpolarization is occurred. Now what happened? When due to threshold or sodium ion entry inside, the stimulation impulse was this much. After hyperpolarization, it's become this much. Because this area, due to hyperpolarization, outer positive ion concentration is more than inside ions. Now, to make a balance or neutralize this hyperpolarization condition, more sodium ion will enter. Again, due to sodium ion entry, the stimulation of impulse can move one step forward. From here, this point to that point. From this point to that point. Due to the sodium ion entry, depolarization occur again, potential will be changed to plus 45, and to make this condition in again repolarization, potassium ions will exit out, and after that for excess potassium ion will exit and hyperpolarization will occur, and to maintain equilibrium of stimulation impulse again sodium ion will enter, and this process will continue. Thus, by sodium ion entry or depolarization and potassium ion exit or repolarization and hyperpolarization, impulse can moving forward step by step. Now, there are some questions. How sodium ion can enter? How potassium ion can exit out? How this sodium and potassium ion balance is maintaining? Why action potential is not more than plus 40 MV? So we will discuss every single details regarding this topic in our next episode.